Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this course, this is 7th video, and again it is a prerequisite before installing SCCM. Very small video but very important. In this video, first of all, in this video, if I say about it, you have to extend the Active Directory schema, okay, for SCCM Server 2019. So that is what we are going to understand in this video. And as usual, as of now, I'm using two virtual machines. One is Active Directory and second one is SCCM server. So up to my 6th video, whatever I have installed, I installed on this server. Now we have to extend the schema of this Active Directory with the help of SCCM operating system. So how to do it, let me show you. So once again, if I show you my Active Directory, this is my Active Directory, okay, and here need to log in. This is Active Directory domain service, DNS and IIS. So we are not going to use this DNS, and this is my SCCM server, okay, and whatever installation we have done, we did here only. And now we have to extend the schema of this Active Directory. So before that, I will show you something here. If you go to C drive, okay, you will not see anything except these 1 2 3 4 5 6 folder, okay. And let me show you something here. So guys, here we have Active Directory, not Active Directory, where is my removable, okay, I have SCCM setup here, okay, this SCCM setup, and I have one folder, this SMS setup. Basically inside this you should go to win folder x64, and here you will get extend schema one file, okay, and keep searching this file you have to run on your Active Directory, okay. This comes with your setup file only. And so now this exe file is this USB is not connected to my Active Directory, so let me add it to my Active Directory here. Removable disk, SanDisk, cruiser connector, yes, okay. And same you have to do. If you have ISO image, you can mount and you can find it from there also. Go to this and then win x64 and search. You can search, or you can search like this also. So this should be extend this one, extend AD schema, okay. And if you run this, it will open one small command prompt and it will go off. It is gone. Now go to C drive. So you got one text file here, as you can see here, extend AD schema, okay. And if you open this, you should see a successful kind of message like successfully extended the schema. So this is also one prerequisite before installing SCCM, and very simple. You should know location where you will find this file and where you have to run it. And this is what I just tried to show you in this video, because it is very important. And I hope you understood the requirement of installation of how to extend the schema of Active Directory for SCCM server. And next video will be installing SCCM server. So guys, till then, thanks for watching for this video, and I hope you know what you have to do. As you can see here, subscribe, comment, like and share this video, and hit this bell icon on your YouTube channel. You can find me on lots of websites like YouTube. Yes, you can find me by my name, and even on Facebook I have one CCNA page. There also I keep uploading videos, whatever I'm just uploading here also. And there are lots of videos I'm uploading. I have lots of playlists on different technology. If you wish, you can subscribe and have a look once. And see you in next video.